Experiencing problems activating your ALDI Mobile SIM? Here's a breakdown of common issues and how to fix them. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and compatible with your phone and AT&T's LTE 5G bands. A $5 balance is required for activation. If the SIM isn't activating, try restarting your device. Make sure your phone isn't locked to another carrier. If issues persist, the problem may stem from network congestion, an invalid IMEI number, or a defective SIM card. To troubleshoot app errors, force restart your device. Ensure your ALDI mobile app is updated to the latest version 4.2 or later, and check your internet connectivity. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app can also resolve many issues. For manual activation assistance, contact ALDI Mobile support, but remember that wait times may be longer during peak activation periods. The ALDI mobile app serves as the central hub for account management and SIM activation. It connects users to AT&T's network backend for real-time processing. Common app activation errors include login failures, crash loops, and authentication glitches. These problems stem from outdated software, poor connectivity, or app permissions. Importantly, these issues aren't unique to ALDI Mobile, but are widespread among prepaid MVNOs due to thinner support layers. Many app errors resolve by clearing the cache or reinstalling the app. For family plans, activate SIMs sequentially to avoid bandwidth bottlenecks. Users with unlocked Samsung Galaxy S24 devices often need a factory reset followed by incognito browser login to bypass firmware incompatibilities. Future trends include a 40% increase in eSIM activations globally, which reduces physical SIM problems but may introduce new app-centric errors like authentication glitches. ALDI Mobile is implementing AI-driven chatbots to reduce support wait times by 25%. To prevent issues, stay alert for SIM swapping scams involving fraudulent SIM card changes. Look for ALDI's partnerships with Motorola for better device compatibility. During high usage periods, contact ALDI Mobile via email for manual activation overrides if needed.